How are you currently using your inbox? Are you living in your inbox? When I work as a time management coach into many companies, people often tell me they use their email as a place to hold their actions. This can mean that you multiple handle your email and you'll waste plenty of time. You have a better system in Outlook, which are your tasks and calendar. Some people tell me that they use their inbox as a filing system, and when they need that email, they scroll down through their inbox and then they find it. Again, you've got a better system, which is a set of folders. How you set up your folders to reduce filing costs and search time is important. Some people also tell me that they keep their emails in their inbox because they might need to contact those people. And so they scroll down and find the email, and they have a little look at the signature where there's a little phone number, and then they make the phone call. However, that wastes lots of time. Remember, 6 weeks per year looking for stuff that you already got. That's what the average white-collar worker spends looking for stuff they've already got. You've got a better system in Outlook, which is contacts. Other people like to leave email in their inboxes. This is how they plan what they're going to do today or across the next week. So they're using their email as a planning system. But this leads to lots of multiple handling and poor prioritization. Again, you've got a better planning system, which is the Workly. Turn messages into what they really are: tasks, information, calendar entries, or contacts.